sprinter crunches. So, again, I'm going to start rolling down, all the way down on towards your mat. We're going to do a few different variations here, okay? So, arms to the front, both legs are lengthened. You're going to bring both fists up, and then you're going to lift off as you twist, and bring one knee towards the elbow, and then extend yourself all the way back down. Okay, so it's like you're running, sprinting, up at the twist, bring your knee up towards your elbow, and all the way back down. Okay, so let's do this a little bit faster. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, let's go out. Inhale down. Exhale, let's go the other side. And all the way back down. Okay, so find that articulation, roll your spine down as opposed to lifting yourself up through your chest, I guess, or putting that strain into your spine. Okay, find that articulation to roll yourself up rather than using the momentum to, I don't even know how to describe it, so pulling yourself up with the top of your torso. Okay, really round. Control through the front of your abs to the left. And then all the way back down. Of course, we're adding the twist there. Another option, you're going to stay up, lifted, just halfway row down. Extend one leg, okay, towards elbow, towards the knee. Alternate elbow towards the knee. Okay, so side, side, side to side. Okay, that's two options there.